Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to schedule text messages on Android. Scheduling a text messages on Android is easy if you know what you're doing. The specific steps will vary depending on your type of phone and preferred application. You also have options to choose from which allows you to have a consistent experience across multiple devices. Method 1. Using built-in messaging apps. Android phones have their own native texting apps called Samsung Messages or Google Messages, depending on your device type. The process are similar but look a bit different. So, double check that you're following the right guide. First, if you have a Samsung Note or Galaxy smartphone, you'll have Samsung Messages as your native texting app. You can schedule text with just a few taps that sends seconds, minutes, hours, or days afterward. First, tap the Samsung Messages app, then tap the bubble icon in the bottom right corner to draft a new message or choose an existing conversation. Third, choose a contact in the top search bar. Skip if using an existing conversation, and then drop your message. Tap the plus icon to open the tool menu and select Schedule Message. Set the time to send your message, then tap Done to return to the conversation and press the green send button to schedule the text. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.